Two packs, one showdown. This is Pack Battles of History. Today we have Historic Autographs 1918, End of the Great War versus the Washington Chronicles. Let's get into it. Mount Vernon Plantation versus Lawrence of Arabia captures Damascus. William Bradford, Ripley's Believe It or Not debut. Nathaniel Green, Ty Cobb pitches for the Majors. Smallpox, Harlem's Hellfighters. West Point, Hewitt-Sperry Unmanned Test Flight. The Residence Act of 1790, Germans retreat from Belgium. Kentucky, solar eclipse crosses entire U.S. Pinckney's Treaty, the Treaty of San Lorenzo. Armistice of Villa Giusti. The basis of our political system is the right of the people to make and to alter their constitutions of government. John J. Pershing. And lastly, we have Jean-Antoine Houdon versus Cher Ami. And that's today's Pack Battle of History. Who won? You decide. Let us know in the comments.